this video, let's see how to install the wheel spacers on your Tesla Model Y. Let's go! The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency continuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!